Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So right now we're going to check out Vybz Kartel Dreams Are Made Of. This is a song from Vybz Kartel Viking album 10-year anniversary. And Kartel dropped God Is the Greatest music video of that same album. And now he's dropping another music video for a song on that album, Dreams Are Made Of. So Vybz Kartel dropping this song right now is all the promotion it needs. You don't need to go anywhere and say anything else because a Vybz Kartel time now, a Vybz Kartel I run it. You see me? So we are going to check out the video for this song. Girl, you are the best thing in my life. In my life. It's what dreams are made of. Thank you, Vybz Kartel. Thank you. Bombo clean. Some other girl are clean so. Some clean black. Vybz Kartel say him fully melanated and him get a girl that is fully melanated in the music video. Mom's clean, sexy, everything. Let's go. So alright. Kartel. No, make no woman trick him. You mad? Just like when Leary say, we set a daily reminder, say girl wicked. You see me? She can't give him the apple for eat. No, no. No, mama, you can't do that. You can't do that. No apple. You know what I mean? You love me, plus you love me money, plus you love wine. So you love me, yes. You probably love what me can do for you, and you love your money cause enough woman daddy for the money. Whatever the case is, you see me, and she love wine, so you know she know how to handle it. It's what dreams are made of. Sometimes, so all night, we run like it all night. We repent sometimes, so all night, we run like it all night. So all night. Me there pre is that this song was not a standout song on the album, but me just feel like say Vybz Kartel dropped the music video because Vybz Kartel himself loved this song, and Vybz Kartel himself believed that him can push this song as one of them girl song there amongst God Is the Greatest doing really well right now, and him say yo no man. Remember say that song up on the album too, on no need for you to listen to it. I love that one, because everybody is singing along to God Is the Greatest, one of the biggest songs for 2020, or the biggest song so far for 2025, and everything else with Kartel I do, everybody more into that rather than, giving this song that listen there, and Kartel say, yo, may I drop a music video for this song, showing us this is a song you no need for your vibe to, and, you know what I mean, song tough. Love how you shot, love how me talk. Let me make you laugh, let me make you laugh. Watch me shot the fucking on the wall. I know fuck you in the real life, 4-dimensional. Feed you, fuck you, that's all. Put you back in the car, and you back in your yard. So what dreams are made of. Yo! January youth. Loving black woman them you would tell her. So girl if you pretty. Naturally. So girl if you pretty. May I tell her. Mom's clean. Mom's clean. Song tough. You know what I mean? And Vybz Kartel been delivering when it comes to music video, when it comes to running dancer, when it comes to being the most relevant artist where everybody wants to see, he has been delivering. Locked down the whole of New York, you know what I mean? Shut it down completely. Everybody out. I show Kartel the love and the respect. You know what I mean? And Kartel dropping a music video at the height of everybody want to do interview with him. Everybody want to link up. Everyone is now forced to acknowledge the greatness. All of them. You know what I mean? All of them is now forced to acknowledge the greatness, and that is what we are seeing right now. So that is why, you know what I mean, much love and respect have to go out to the world boss. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So one night and night. When you feel like a friendship, you mean at the daytime. No bubble with that energy when make the sunshine. You love me plus you love me money plus you love wine. Me have a guy looking at the mirror, up your hand back up a shot at just amigos. Me like that. Me have a type looking at the mirror because you're my type, but you're not just my type to a T. You know what I mean? You have the qualities that I need, the qualities that I'm looking for, the traits and the personality and everything that I'm looking for in a woman. You have that. And on top of that, you are my type. So looking at the mirror, you know that anything you see back, any reflection that you see in the mirror of yourself, I might type that, and you're here for a reason. You know what I mean? And this is not just speaking to listening to a song and just move on. And if you look at your life, just the same. You know what I mean? Any girl you're with right now, if you're looking at the mirror, she can know, say, yeah man, this is his type. So if you're up, then you know, say, your man love you when you're up. If you're not tan good, then something will go on right there, so you need to find out why this man is with you or whatever the case is. You know what I mean? Yes. That's what gyms are made of. Repent sometimes. Big up Rupi. You know what I mean? I realize that Rupi I shoot all of Vybz Kartel tough videos them. Him shoot the music video for Ignite the World. Him I shoot the music video for Vybz Kartel Miami Vice episode, and him shoot other music videos with Vybz Kartel have on him channel right now ever since him come out from prison, and it look like that the youth the Vybz Kartel I work with. Oh, big up Shane Creative too, cause you know them youth they are bad video editor. You know what I mean? Him shoot the music video for Vybz Kartel Straight Vibes. The song for Straight Vybz Kartel Straight Vibes drum. You know what I mean? So the youth them in the director them really I do them thing. You know what I mean? I make them name in a dancehall same way. Shane Creative, Rupi and them youth there. So big up them youth the same way. You know what I mean? And big up anybody big up the people on Vybz Kartel team who scout out. You know what I mean? The models them are however the scouting thing go, forget the people them in these music video, big up them people because them know what them do. You know what I mean? And it's a pattern if you notice, mainly, you know what I mean, these type of girls. You know what I mean, that Vybz Kartel having a music video them, him not leave himself up for no criticism. You know what I mean? Him do the right thing. You see me? Because you know, bad man always a look. Got them obsessed with him, you know. I look and I try to see where they can pinpoint like a loophole or something to come in and say, yeah man, Ray, and use it to tear down the artist who no go suck on the mama. You see me? So big up Vybz Kartel. Dreams are made of music video, song bad, music video bad. And please, we're not name the apple the moms. We're not name the apple there. You see me?